Hey, leave no trace. Hey, I have to pick it up. Leave no trace, that's our policy. Got here early in the morning, around 6:30, packed everything in the van, loaded up, and drove an hour and a half to Mineral Wells. And then we had a little safety briefing, get oriented, and then we just started setting up anchors and started climbing. We're out here, Lake Mineral Wells State Park. There's two best things about going on a climbing trip. First is guacamole for lunch. That's a key. You guys wanna take a break and then hammer some guac and then come back?
Sure. Let's do it.
Even though you may have climbed indoors or something before, you never truly felt what it's like to really climb and how climbing originated and things like that. It's just so much fun to go out to the crag or go outside and just climb on real rock, which it sounds silly, but it's so much fun just to experience something so simple, just climbing up the side of a cliff. I can't be the person lagging behind all the participants or anything like that. I need to be in the front, be the one showing them how it's done, being a good example. So it's definitely helped me stay healthy. It's not just lifting weights where you can just push it out and get it done. You really kind of have to have some finesse and kind of plan it out a little bit beforehand and really kind of think about what your next move is going to be.
How much guac did you hammer?
Honestly, not enough. What are you about to do? Hammer guac, Nutella, sandwiches, chips, bananas, and hot cocoa. Going to the climbing wall here at SMU, I met a lot of the leaders, and they all seemed like great people, and they were really encouraging me to come on a trip, and so I did. And I absolutely loved it, apparently, because I'm a leader now. The first time I went on a trip, I never had any climbing experience, and it has opened so many doors for me, and it's a ton of fun. And it's really cool to experience nature in those ways. Hey, we're like woodpeckers in a petrified forest, staying busy and always looking for opportunity. Guacamole for lunch. Guac? Rock. Guac. Guac. Rock. Guac. Guacamole for lunch.
Let's do it.